Hey there, this is Tara with WTI. Don't you think that our shoes should reflect our personality? Well, DOGO totally gets that. I can't even begin to tell you how comfortable that these shoes are. I walked around in a city one day and I felt very comfortable walking around in these shoes. And I absolutely loved the details, the rich details that they add. And I like that I can wear it with a lot of different outfits. So it doesn't matter what kind of pants that I decided to wear with them, I really felt like they brought out the details that they have. These particular shoes that I chose are called A Time to Go, and I love the black and white feature with just a little touch of color to add interest. These shoes are the perfect combination of comfort and style. Plus, DOGO has so many different styles that you can choose from that it is not hard to find one that reflects your personality. And that is just my point of view.